What is up then, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time. I kind of forgot that I've got a YouTube channel. You guys have been keeping me really busy with the whole MKATTACK thing. But today we're doing a bit of a spontaneous one. It should be like a nice bit of a run up to the videos that I've got coming up over to the next couple of weeks, which are going to be sick. So one of my friends here owns a wheel refurbishing business, and we're going to go meet him now, and he's going to not refurbish my wheels, but he's going to paint this inlet manifold for me. So if you don't know, this is the Cosworth replica inlet manifold. It's about a third of the price of the original one that most ballers go for, but we ain't got that much money. So we're gonna go with this one. I've got a couple of colours which I was gonna go for. So we've got a black and gold flake, kind of like that. Yeah, that's sexy. Got this matte black, which I'm like, kind of durable. We've also got this silver sparkle and lacquer, which Sparkle's my nickname, so I'm like, maybe, yeah. And we've also got this, which is kind of dark. You probably can't see it on the camera, but this is like the acid green that Porsches go with. So I kind of need to make up my mind on the drive to go and get these painted. I'm kind of like, I've got my idea which one I want, but you guys probably have a guess which one I'm going to choose. So less talking, I'm going to go pack the car up. I'm also going to be doing some videography for the guys, just a bit of marketing and advertising, you know, helping them out, mate out and all that. But yeah, let's do it. Right then, guys, so we've got everything in the car. I thought I'd just take this time now, just say massive shout out to you guys who've been supporting the build and the channel recently. Like, I know I've been quite vacant, but we've been putting a lot of work in behind the scenes. We've got I think it's like 5 or 6 new products which are getting ready to be released, which is like overwhelming, because I literally thought I was going to stick to Ford Fiesta covers and then maybe just do the Honda ones. But yeah, we're branching out, and it's not just engine covers. We're doing smiles as well, which is quite sick. So I'm really looking forward to like showing you guys those products. But yeah, if you want to stay up to date with the products that I'm releasing, always follow me on my Instagram, which is going to be the MKATTACK.co. That's where you'll first see all of the products that are being released. But yeah, the support has been amazing recently. I've done some really sick collabs, which I can't wait to show you guys. And I can't mention this as well, but next week we are going to London. Don't worry, I've been tested, we are clean, and I'll be doing a test the day before as well. I can show you proof, we are clean, no COVID around here. But yeah, we're going to London with one of the guys who we're going to be seeing tomorrow, which I'll probably get on video as well. And that's going to be a movie, because this is going to be making history, I reckon, because no one else has ever done this build that I'm about to show you. But yeah, it's going to be sick. But anyway, we're about 2 minutes away from your man's house. Once we're with him, we'll get set up then. We'll show you the parts that we're going to be painting and all the setup and everything like that, which you've probably all seen it before. But I thought I'd just take the time in this video just to put a bit of extra content out there, seeing as I have had 5 videos that have been demonetized over the last couple of weeks. So, but yeah, let's do it. Right then, guys, so we're outside your man's van. There he is, Mr. Rumour himself. If you've heard of Rumour in Birmingham, it's probably for a good reason. He's pretty much like one of the pioneers for graphic design for graffiti art in Birmingham, and he's an absolute legend. It's pretty ideal that he's ended up in painting for a living, which is quite sick. But it's going to be a little bit noisy inside of here now. So what you can't hear, I'll try and put in with subtitles. I will put my mask on because I had 2 complaints in one of the last videos, so I don't really want to offend anyone. But yeah, let's get this done. So here is the man himself. Do you want to talk us through what we're going to be doing today?
Yes, so we're painting this a lovely yellow, nice freshened yellow, for the man like Markel. Just go clean down, just get any dirt bits off by scratching it, let the paint adhere to it, and then we'll give it a paint, see how it comes out.
You call in my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby.
He's absolutely smashed this. There we go, it's like literally the most obnoxious colour ever. So if you couldn't tell, yes, we've gone with the acid green. This is the same colour that you probably see on like Porsche calipers and things like that. But this colour in real life is obnoxious and perfect for what I'm going for. So we're just going to do the inlet manifold now. But yeah, this is sick. Shout out to you, bro.
so pretty in your smile, baby. I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby. Do you look so pretty in your smile, baby? Do you look so pretty in your smile,
Mate, you absolutely smashed it. And there we go, so we wanted obnoxious, we've got obnoxious. Massive shout out to Rumour, I'll leave all his information down in the description. Let's get home and get these on the engine. Alright then guys, so we're back home now. Once again, a massive shout out to Rumour at PR Alloys. We'll leave all their information down in the description. If you need anything painted or refurbing, hit him up, he's your man, especially if you're local to Birmingham, but he is mobile. So give him a shout, I'd really appreciate it. Say that Markel sent you, you know what I mean, send that love. But are you guys ready to see what this looks like? And on 3, 2, 1, there we go then guys. So the camera's not doing this any justice at all. This is ridiculous. I am going to put a layer of VHT clear coat on there and on the turbo as well. But geez mate, it's exactly what I was going for, and your man smashed it. Smashed it, best cost out there, 100%, hands down. Also going to go to the turbo side. Just gets better and better. So when this is done, you're probably not going to see this, but it's just nice knowing that it is nice and clean and green. I did also put the throttle body on, which I did come into one issue, which I'm thinking that this hole doesn't have any threads. So there is a chance that I'm going to have to try and make some type of bracket that goes onto the back of there, or we might have to stick with the 3 bolts. We'll see what happens, but yeah, got the throttle body on now, starting to make some space in my boxes over there. But yeah, I think we've had a very good day today. Right then guys, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We've got a video coming tomorrow, which I'm not at. 2 videos in a weekend's not bad for me, especially when I've not made one for over a month now. But yeah, tomorrow's going to be the peak prequel for a big video that we're doing next week, which is going to be an absolute movie. Really excited to do it, and that's the one that we're going to London for. But in the time being, if you haven't followed MKATTACK on Instagram, we're going to be doing an Instagram giveaway soon, or Instagram Facebook giveaway soon. So make sure you check that out for your chance to get this and a couple of other goodies as well. This is, yeah, if you guys don't win this, then this will be gone within a day with me. But yeah, that'll be going live sometime before Easter. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.